Hello, dear little cute learners. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So, students, I'm your mathematics educator again here with a new chapter with a new concept. And today we have chapter number 9, which is highest common factor and least common multiple. So, in previous chapter, we learned about the factors and multiples. So, now this is very easy for us to identify the highest common factors and least common multiple. We have learned to find out the factors of given number. Here we will learn to find the HCF, highest common factor of two or more given numbers. So first of all, we are discussing about the common factors. Common factor means, for example, we have two numbers 18 and 24. So we write the factors of 18 and 24, and now we have to classify what are the common factors among 18 and 24. So 1, 2, 3, and 6 are the common factors in 18 and 24. After doing this, which number is the highest common factor? So among 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 is the highest. It means this is your HCF, highest common factor. Common factors of 8 and 12. So here we have 8 factors and 12 factors. So 1, 2, and 4 are the common factors we have. A number that is a factor of two or more numbers, it's called a common factor of those numbers. Now we have to find out the common factors of 5 and 7. So in this, factors of 5 are 1 and 5, and factors of 7 are 1 and 7. So common factors of 5 and 7 is 1 only. So when we have only a common factor 1, then these are called your co-prime numbers. What we called it? Co-prime numbers. Two numbers having only 1 as the common factor are called co-prime numbers. Now we move forward to our exercise 9a and circle the factors of 36. So 1 is a factor of 36, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9. No, it is not a factor of 36 and 12. So these are the factors of 24. Find common factors of the following pairs. So here we have 25. So what are the common factors of 25? You can say 1, 5 and 25. For 30, we have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and after 6 we can also say that's it. 30 we can take it. So in this we have common factor 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 are the common factors we have. So in same case, so in same way you have to find out the common factors of rest of the following pairs you have. Now which of the pairs are co-prime numbers? So now we have to find out the co-prime numbers. So 11 and 12. So 11, 1 and 11 is the only factor, and 12 we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and after 6 we have 12. So these are not the co-prime after 11 and 13. So in 11 we have 1 and 11, and in 13 we have 1 and 13 only. It means it is a pair of co-prime numbers. So in same way, where you have only a common factor 1, you have to select it as co-prime number in the following numbers you have, in following pairs you have. After this we have to learn about the highest common factor, which is called HCF. For example, here we have factors of 16 and 20. So here are the 16 common factors and 20. So what are the common factors among 16 and 20? 1, 2, 4. So which one is the highest? 4 is the highest. It means 4 is the HCF of your 16 and 20. The HCF for two or more numbers is the highest number which is divides each of the given number. So, the HCF of two or more numbers is the highest number which divides each of the given numbers. Highest common factors is also called the greatest common divisor, GCD. Finding HCF by prime factorization. So with the prime factorization, first we have to find the 64 prime factorization and then 72. So in 64 we have these numbers, and for 72 we have these numbers. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 is the common in the factorization of 64 and 72. So these 2 and these 2 are the common among 64 and 72. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. It means 8 is the highest common factor for 64 and 72. Find the HCF of 122. Find the HCF of 120, 144 and 180. So you have to take like this. For 120 you have 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 5. For 144 and 180. So these are the factors. Now what are the common? 2 and 2, 2 and 2, 3 and 3, 3 and 3, 2 and 2 and 3. So we can generally take 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Here is it your answer. Okay, this is very easy how you can take it to. So you have to divide 120 by 2, you will get 60. 60 divided by 2, 30. 30 divided by 2, 15. 15 divided by 3, 5. 5 divided by 5, 1. So in same way you have to do for 144, 180. Okay. Now we move forward HCF by dividing factors. So for 36 and 48, first we have to find out the factors. Now these are the common factors we have. Among these, 12 is the highest common factor. Okay. So now we move forward to our exercise 9b. Find the HCF by prime factorization. So first we take 40. So 2, 20, 2, 10, 2, 5 and 5, 1. For 45 we have 5, 9, 3, 3, 3, 1. So in this only we have 5 as a common factor. So this is our HCF. Okay. After this we have 45 and 60. So when took one more example from the question number 1. So we take 6, 9 and 15. So 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 3, 1, 3, 5, 5, 1. So all of these we have common factor only 3. So this is our highest common factor. After this we have least common multiple. Least common multiple, which is called LCM. We have learned to find out the multiples of a given numbers. We can find the least common multiple LCM of 2 or more numbers. So here the multiple of 4, the table of 4 and 6, the table of 6. So here we have common multiple 12, 24, 36. So these are your common multiple. Similarly, we can find the common multiple of 2, 3 and 6 and finding LCM. How we can find LCM? To find the LCM of 6, 9, 12. So in this what we can do, we have to check 6, 9, 12. First we write in a grid. After we take a table of 2 and we have to identify at what position 6 will appear in 2's table, 9 will appear in 2's table and 12 will appear in 2's table. So 6 will be appear in third, 2 is not appear in 2's table, so we just write 9 as it is, then 12 is on 6. Then we take the table of 3, then 3 for 1, then 3, 3 and then 2. Again we take 3, so 1, 1 and 2 is as it is because 2 it's not coming in 3's table. Then we take 2, so 2, 1, 1 and 1. So we have to do till so we have to do in such a way that we get the end of the movement 1 1 1 for each of the number we have. So first arrange the number in any order. Think of a number which can divide at least 2 of the given number. Carry forward the numbers which are not divisible. Repeat the process till every number is divided completely. So you have to repeat the process till the every number is divided complete. The product of division is the LCM of the given number. So now you have to multiply 2 by 3, 3 by 2 by 3, 6, 6 by 3 is 18 and 18 2s are 36. So this is your LCM 36. So in same way you have to find out the LCM. Now we move forward to our next exercise which is 9C and here we have find two common multiples for each. So for 6 we have 12 and 8 we have so here we have only 24 as a common multiple. Okay. After 36, we have and 48. So we can write here 48. So these are the two common multiple of 6 and 8. Similarly, you can find the common multiple for the rest of the parts you have. After this, we move forward to next question. Find the LCM of 9 and 12. So first we make a grid and arrange our numbers and take a number which can be divide our numbers. So here we have 3, here we have 4. Now we take 3, so here we come 4, then 4, then you write 2, 1, 2, and then 2, 1 and 1. So 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, and 18 2s are 36. So your LCM will be for 9 and 12 is 36. So in same way you can do the rest of the questions you have in question number 2. Find, so in the same way you can find the LCM rest of the part you have in question number 2. Now find the LCM by any convenient method. So now it's totally up to you which method you want to apply for finding the LCM of numbers you having. So 21, 27 and 189. 3, 7, 9, 63. Then 3, 7, 3, 21. Then 3, 7, 1, 7. Then 7, 1, 1 and 1. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 7s are 7 sevens are 49, 9, 4, 7 twos are 14 plus 4, 18. Your answer will be 189. This is your LCM, 189. In same way, you have to find out the answer of rest of the parts you have in question number 3. Now move forward to find the LCM by division method. Similarly, you can solve the question number 4 as well by doing and concepting the above example and take the LCM by division method. Okay. Now we move forward to the word problems based on HCF and LCM. So in this, what we have to do, okay, we have some daily life situations where we have to apply HCF and LCM. Find the smallest number which is exactly divisible by 6, 15 and 18. The smallest number we have to find. So we take the division, we take the LCM of 6, 15 and 18 and we get 90. So the required smallest number is 90. Find the smallest number which is divided by 14, 28 and 42. Leaves remainder 4 in each case. So what we can do, we take a LCM of 14, 28 and 42. So the required number is our LCM 84 plus 4, that is 88. So now we have unitary method. Study the number of bananas and their cost in the table. If the cost of 4 bananas is 20, 8 bananas is 40. So what is the cost of further? So study the number of kites and their cost from the table. The cost of kites changes with the number of kites. If the number of kites is reduced to half, the cost is also reduced to half. So how can you find out? In unitary method, first we have to find out the amount, the cost of one object, and then we can calculate the further object's amount. The cost of 5 chocolates is 50. What is the chocolates of 10 chocolates? If 5 chocolates cost is 50, which means one chocolate cost is 10 rupees. So 10 such cost is equal to 10 multiplied by 10, 100 rupees. So the cost of it is 100 rupees. Okay. Now the cost of 5 chocolates is 50. What is the cost of 17 such chocolates? So if each chocolate's cost is 10, so 17 such chocolates price will be 17 multiplied by 10, 170 rupees. Hence the cost of 17 chocolates will be 170. This method, it's called unitary method. Finding out the value of one from many and then the value of many from one is called the unitary method. Now the cost of 3 forks is 96. Find the price of 8 such forks. So first we have to find for one and then you can calculate it. Okay. Now we move forward to our next exercise, exercise 9D, where the cost of one book is 78. What is the cost of 9 such books? So you have to just multiply 78 with 9. So 9 8s are 72, 7, 9 sevens are 63 and 63 plus 7 is 70. So 702 will be your cost. After this, a scooter goes 175 kilometer in 5 hours. How far does it go in 1 hour? So you have to divide 175 with 5. Your answer will be 3. If you take 15, then 25 and 5. So 35 kilometer. So in same way, you have to write the answer and solve the questions of. So in same way, you have to solve rest of the questions you have in your exercise 9D. After this, you have your worksheet where you have combination of questions which you do in your exercises. After this, you have to perform a activity in your maths lab, and this your chapter is ends here, and we ended our class just here. So, students, I hope so you understood this chapter very well. Now, I'll meet you in your next class with a new chapter. Till that, bye bye. Have a good day.